Reason for the stop is I saw your cell phone in your hand when you were driving, okay?
That was a sandwich.
A quick glance, a sandwich mistaken for a phone, or maybe the mistake wasn't a mistake at all. When those flashing lights came, it stopped being about traffic. It became a performance of power. The dash cam didn't blink. It caught the moment truth was pushed aside.
Yo, man. Officer Radford, Corporate Police. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah.
Alright. Reason for the stop is I saw your cell phone in your hand when you were driving, okay?
That was a sandwich.
I saw your phone.
My phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't, I know what a sandwich looks like. It was your phone.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
So it was a rectangular thing. Whether it was your wallet, your phone, it looked like your phone.
Okay.
Alright? So that's why I'm pulling you over. Where are you headed to?
School.
School?
Yeah.
Hills?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let me just run your license. If it's all clear, you'll be on your way. Okay. I'm not gonna give you a ticket. Alright?
I have a previous warning.
That's fine.
Okay.
Alright, I appreciate the honesty. Just give me 1 second. I'm just gonna run it, alright?
Okay.
Alright, like I said, just a warning. I'm not gonna give you a ticket.
Okay.
Like I said, if I'm gonna take your word for it, right? I trust you. If it wasn't your phone, it wasn't your phone. It looks like it was, but
Okay.
all good. Alright?
Yeah.
The officer spoke of distraction, but what followed was a quiet grab for control. Words shifted, excuses changed, yet the man stayed calm. A simple bite became evidence, but the camera stood witness. This wasn't about a device in hand. It was about what they believed they could get away with. And this time, we all saw it. This is another case.
Guy pulled his gun on me and everything.
Okay.
Crazy.
Put both hands on the hood, please.
A long shift ends. A tired man drives home, sawdust on his clothes, steering a beat-up truck. Within moments, sirens echo. A gun appears, and a door swings open. The claim? Short mud flaps and a rolling stop. But from the first move, this felt less like patrol and more like a takedown in disguise.
What are you doing?
Turn the vehicle.
Okay.
Turn the vehicle. Okay.
Okay.
You're rolling, man. I let you way back.
What do you mean, why am I rolling? I didn't see you till I was right here on this street, and I kept going because there's no place to pull over. I pulled over when it got open.
I let you way back there.
Where?
Man.
Where at?
At the beginning of Moon Lane.
At the beginning of Moon Lane.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Whenever I turned off, I saw you.
Let me get your license.
Okay, well, I'm gonna hop out.
No, stay in the vehicle.
Okay. You have no reason to come up here and just open my door like that, for sure.
Okay. Insurance.
Guy pulled his gun on me and everything.
Okay.
Crazy.
Put both hands on the hood, please.
Okay.
Both of them on the wheel. All right, remain there. Do not move, okay? I'm going to take out the vehicle.
Sounds good. You can shut my door. Will you shut this door?
How about?
What are you doing?
How about?
For what?
How about?
What's the reason?
How about, man?
What's the reason? Can you tell me what the reason is? You come up here and you pull your gun on me and then you rip my door open for no reason.
Step out of the vehicle.
What's your reason for pulling my door open?
It's an older truck, man.
So you just rip my door open because it's an older truck?
And you're rolling. People who roll have warrants.
I haven't rolled anything.
They have pot all over their pants.
I don't have
It smells
any.
like marijuana in your vehicle.
This
Hop
is
out.
sawdust.
Hop out.
Okay.
Put your hands up on the vehicle.
For what?
Hands up on the vehicle, please. I'm just gonna frisk
You're
you.
not gonna frisk. What am I under
Put your
arrest
hands
for?
up on the
What am I
vehicle.
under arrest for?
I'm frisking you for weapons, Bubba.
Okay.
I'm not putting you in handcuffs.
I don't have no weapons.
Spread your legs, please.
You're gonna touch all up on me whenever. Yeah, that's gay as hell. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. He's getting all up on it.
All right, stand back here, man.
So what's the reason for the search? What's the probable cause?
For your mud flaps, man, being too short.
So you ripped my door open and frisked all up and opened my truck up for my mud flaps for being too short? Is
Yeah,
what you're
warrants.
saying? Is that what you're saying? Yes or no?
You have warrants?
Is that what you're saying? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you pulled me over. What was the reason for the stop?
For your mud flaps being
So
too
my
short.
mud flaps were too short. We go down Moon Lane. There's barely enough room for 2 cars to pass by. So I come up here to where it clears up. I pull over, and then you come over here and rip my door open, and then start accusing me of what? Saying I have pot all over me, which is sawdust from working because I've been cutting all day. You feel all up on
There's
me.
also pot on your edge of your under your seat, man.
There's pot on the edge of my
No,
seat.
come here, come here. You cannot go back in the car.
I want to see all this, yeah, for sure. But yeah, again, you rolled up on me and ripped my door open because my mud flaps were too short.
Yes, sir.
So that's normal procedure for you to just run up and rip doors open because the mud flaps are too
You have a
short?
car rolling, man.
I wasn't rolling. I got to a place where I could pull over so that people weren't stuck getting in and out.
There were people who roll have drugs.
I wasn't
Warrants.
rolling doing anything. I was sitting there calmly cruising.
They're not too ain't good, man.
So I'm automatically bad because I didn't want to block the drive. What's your probable cause?
Odor of marijuana, partner.
So you ripped the door open and there was odor before or after you ripped the door open? Because you ran up on me with your gun drawn and ripped the door open, is what you did, yes or no? Yes.
I'll be recorded. If you want to copy.
You didn't start your body cam until after you ripped your door open. I watched you. You started it right when I handed you my license. Right, yes or no? Yes or no? So what are we here for now?
I'm gonna be on probable cause search.
For what was your probable cause? Because my mud flaps were too short?
Odor of marijuana.
But there was no odor until after you ripped my door open or before?
It doesn't matter. You were rolling the window down anyway.
I didn't roll this window down. Not at all. I rolled that side down. See how it's down? This window's not up. He ran over here and ripped this door open and had his gun drawn on me.
Absolutely.
Is what happened.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So where's your probable cause at? Before or after you ripped the door open?
I opened up the door and it was coming from the car as well.
What car?
This pickup.
So it was coming from, so with the window up, there was odor of marijuana coming out?
Absolutely.
Is that what you're going with?
Absolutely.
Sounds good. It's gonna be an interesting one for sure.
So, how much marijuana is in the vehicle?
I don't have any marijuana in there. I got sawdust in there, and evidently that's marijuana.
The man speaks with clarity. Calm words meet twisted logic. Sawdust turns into a drug claim. Questions rise, answers shift. Power plays out, but the camera watches everything. This wasn't about traffic. It was about control. And in that moment, one man stood firm while the story fell apart on record.